disappearances, abductions, and femicide. And I have handed over the responsibility of cracking down on those emerging reports of crime. And I wish him well, and I know he will succeed. The same way in the past I've been able to handle those other national security challenges. Remember, these are challenges that we've witnessed in the last few months, and already we had gotten ourselves on a place where we had come up with a strategy of cracking down on this criminal behavior, the same way we succeeded, even with the Nairobi urban crime, which was quite a spiral at the time we took over, and which today is manageable. And therefore, these are developments over the last few weeks, maybe a couple of months. We had laid the ground on how to deal with both cracking down on criminals who are in that space of femicides or abducting people, and also a framework for accountability of any rogue officer or officers who will be involved. And therefore, that should be the task of the next minister going forward. I have no doubt I have done my best.